Today we're learning some smithing, blacksmithing.
Place to do it because make it a useful piece.
We are in Oak Harbor. Today is my birthday and we're touring a little bit of Whidbey Island. I was born here on this island, down in a little town called Coopville, just down the way. So it's neat to be back as an adult to see the island. I left when I was very young, only about 5 years old or so. So being back and getting to see it as an adult's a lot of fun. Behind us is the windmill at the Windjammer Park down here in Oak Harbor. And I used to play as a kid down here in this park. So it's fun to see it again.
My hometown, my hometown. My hometown.
Wow.
It's cold out here.
This amazing bridge we're standing on is the Deception Pass Bridge. It crosses from Whidbey to the mainland. It's the only road that crosses to the mainland, and it is an amazing feat of engineering and a little terrifying to walk out on. There's Mount Baker. Well, there it is, Deception Pass Bridge. It's so iconic to this area in Whidbey Island, and really quite a spectacular, almost beautiful bridge. The waters here are turbulent because this is a very narrow choke point where the waters from the sound get in behind the island. So when the tides go up and down, the water rages in and out through here and you get crazy big whirlpools and standing waves, and it's really an amazing place. As a kid with my dad, we'd fish right down here under the bridge, and it was an amazing experience.
My hometown. My hometown, 10 years after. My hometown.
We're now driving through Deception Pass State Park, and there's these crazy big trees.
Awesome. Well, we're sitting out here on West Beach on Deception Pass State Park now, looking out over us in front of us here. We have the Straits of Juan de Fuca straight out to the ocean. This is Puget Sound that the island sits in, and I guess this is the ocean.
This is the ocean.
So Whidbey Island has a naval air station, and these right here are A6s that my dad flew when we lived here. Lots of jets, lots of noise, but it's where they fly from. The A6s no longer fly here, but they fly F-18 Growlers, and you see them all the time flying around here. When we were staying over in Quincy, we had the same jets from this island flying the Columbia River Valley, very low, below the radar, up the river in training exercises. So it's kind of neat to see them over here too. Caitlin's taking me to get a birthday treat. You're gonna eat the first bite?
Oh yeah, it's your birthday.